Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to reset Windows 10 power plan to default settings. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First go to the start and here type control panel. Click on the control panel. In a control panel, here we find category, change it to the large icons. Go to the large icon. Here we find many options. Go to the power options, find power options. Click on the power options. In power option, here we find preferred plan. If you select balanced, then go to the balanced. If you select power saver, then go to the power saver. I select balanced. So click on change of plan settings at here. Here we find many options. Go to the last option, restore default settings for this plan. Click on restore default settings for this plan. Click on the yes, and it's reset power plan to default in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.